Pressure doesn't just squeeze you, it speaks to you. It whispers, compromise. It says, just blend in. But if you're going to be unshakable, you can't let pressure reshape you. Romans 12, verse 2. And be not conformed to this world, but be ye transformed by the renewing of your mind, that ye may prove what is that good and acceptable and perfect will of God. In Babylon, everyone bowed when the music played. The pressure was public, immediate, intense. Bow or burn. But Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego refused to bend. They didn't argue. They didn't panic. They simply stood.